Alrighty, good afternoon. Wee-haw. Wee-haw. Alright, let me get sorry guys, I literally just like woke up. I literally just woke up. What did price do? I mean, really kind of range bound here. Kind of range bound. There we go. Nice little pullback here. Let's see. 50 EMA bounce. I'm gonna take it on a pushback above here. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see what we do on the ES here. Push back above the 800 level here. Could get interesting. All right. What up, fish lips? What up? Let's kind of see what we got here. We're definitely range bound here. Not really. I mean, we kind of... I'm just looking to see. All right. Oh, what up, Trading Mint Stan? Guys, I did get in touch with my funded futures. They were gracious enough to give me some accounts to give away. So there we go. We got the entry right there in the chat. Exclamation point cash. Going to be a 50K scale account. Just trying to wait and see here. I literally just got on from a sleep here, so trying to give myself a moment. I did good today, fish slips. I'm green. Owlboy, I just got on. What up, David? Yeah, I am usually napping. I'm not lying. Usually I am napping. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong. All right, let me see here, guys. I am going to drop my link for daytraders.com. So for day traders in the chat here, it's pinned to the top. I need everyone to go and click my link for day traders, even if you're not buying an account. I do need 4 more people to buy accounts. They are 90% off. Currently have 28 clicks. I need 50 clicks. We need 50 clicks on day traders before we do the giveaway. 50 clicks before we do the giveaway. All right, stop's going to break even here. We're through the EMAs and the previous day close. Come on, rip it up. What up, Tech? There we go. Nice little 10-point play there. Waiting to see the reaction off the 50 EMA. Clean, clean, clean. We'll take it. But anyways, like I said, we're going to do the giveaway for a 50K scale My Funded Futures account. If you don't have an account with them, then you just need to create one. You don't have to buy anything. Oh. Clicked hat is what is their story? Fish Slip. So basically, they won't pay the affiliate. They don't pay out the affiliates unless you get 50 clicks in a month and at least 5 new signups. And so I'll show you. I never hide anything from you guys. Maybe I should sometimes, but I don't. Let me show you the deal here. So you can see, I can't show you all this information, but you can see I've gotten 34 clicks and I've got $499 that I can't get because I've never had 50 clicks in a month. And I've never had I've had the 5 signups, but I've never had the 50 clicks in a month. So I can't get this money until I get 50 clicks and 5 new signups. So kind of holding you guys hostage for the 50 clicks. I apologize, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, Fish Slips, they're very good. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. I've had accounts with them before. I've never had a payout, but I do know several people who have. So they're a good firm. I like them. They have straight to funded. They're kind of a carbon copy of Apex, if you will, except without the denials. You know, but it's a very good prop firm. I just want my $500. So, you know, we just need a few sales and we need a few clicks. That's all. Need a few sales and we need a few clicks. I got this Bulenox eval that I forgot all about. That's what I'm trading here. All right, let me take a look at the higher time frame here so I can kind of get my bearings and see where I think we end the day at. We tapped into that order block down here. We swept that 15-minute wick. I'm going to be honest, my lean going into the end of the day here is going to be up. I think we end the day closer to the 881 area. If we can kind of get above 800 and build structure here. That would be my lean. But very easy could go down still too, but we'll see. You'll buy 100 counts from them. Let's go, Trader Oracle. They are 90% off right now as well, by the way. They are 90% off. You can see we've just kind of been inside initial balance most of, well, all day. I mean, let's be honest. All day here, just inside initial balance. Anybody keep playing that 461 level off the ES? I mean, like, look at what we marked out this morning on the ES. I mean, look how many times this 461 level. So if you would have played it, even if you waited till market open. Well, we got failed breakdown here, 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 and here. I mean, literally, it offered like 6 failed breakdowns. And each time paid level to level. Every single time, level to level. I mean, it's just a scalp trade, but every time's 8 points on the ES. 6 times that level's paid. It just keeps paying. Appreciate it, Kathy. Thank you, thank you. So, exclamation point cash if you want to enter the My Funded Futures 50K scale account giveaway. I did finally get in touch with them, and they finally gave me some accounts to give away. It's so funny because the person that I'm supposed to be talking to for the account giveaway, I literally reached out to him like over a year ago to get some free accounts. And I never got a response, but it's all good. I know they're busy. I'm sure my messages just got somewhere down below. Trader Matt, what up? What are the payout thresholds? Website doesn't say much about it. They are, so basically, you got to make, what is it? $2,600 to take out $2,000. So they're still on the old, kind of like the old Apex 1.0 type setup. If you get what I'm saying. So on a 50K account, if you make 2,600, you can take out $2,000 still. That kind of, like I said, kind of that Apex 1.0 type deal back in the day that we used to love. So they're still on that. So yeah, no worries. Trying to, let me log out. Let me just, I'm going to double check, make sure that hasn't changed since the last time I've kind of paid attention to them. Oh, let's go, Mad Moxie. Yeah, mine has been kind of tough. I am green on it today. You see 291. I did not hit my base hit. I did not hit my base hit, get my base hit. You have to dig a little deeper on these. Let me see. So you can only have 5 funded accounts at one time, it looks, and 3 straight to funded accounts. Looks like. DCA is allowed. News trading is allowed. No hedging. No high frequency trading. They have a 30% consistency rule. 8 trading days. You do have to at least make 1 trade every 30 days for the account to remain active. Now they do have a daily, each trading day must meet a minimum profit amount. So your 50K, you have to have $200 a day to meet it as a trading day. This is for day traders. Hey, you the man, Trader Oracle. I appreciate that. For the 50K account, you got to reach $2,600 to take out. I'll show you right here. So this is the thing. Like I said, it's like old school Apex. Once you reach $2,600, you can take out $2,000. So very similar there. You didn't either, but it's close enough. Need less than your base hit tomorrow, though. Nice. See, this will be the first day I missed. If I find a spot, I'll try to get. You reach 2,600 before I finish my. I'm sure, Oracle. I'm sure. Austin, this is daytraders.com. It's the one I got linked at the top of the chat. So I'm over here looking at the rules of it, just to refresh my memory. Like I said, it's been a while since I looked at it. But you can find all this information that I'm just reading out to you underneath the help tab. So if you go help, pro accounts, trading rules, and then the funded account trading rules, and you can see. So you have 5 active pro accounts at any given time. So, but yeah, it's pinned at the top of the chat there. Yeah, I'm just trying to get to my 50 ticks and my sales. I mean, I do think it's good prop for them. They're just not in my top 6 or 7, so I don't have an account with them, but I don't think they're bad. So we're currently at 38 clicks. 38 clicks. So we need 12 more clicks to meet the click ratio. And then I'm going to need 3 more sales at some point to get to the 5 unique sales. I'm shorting here. Yes, losing the 69 there. Nasdaq got an inside bar here, so that's the reason for my short. That's the reason for my short here. Just looking for 10 points. We'll see. Looking for 10 points here. Exclamation point chat. Cash in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Below this wick, I think I'm going to go break even. Kind of got some trend line liquidity kind of generated here. Really do on the 5-minute. Do we go back down to 750 maybe? Do we run all of this into close? I mean, we might. I'll put it down here. I'll go break even if we can break that wick there. If not, we take the loss. It's okay. We need cash now. If you have the beta version. I do, Tiziano. The algo, Austin, he says you just have to get in there and hear him trade every day. He is the algo. He is the ghost inside the machine. Trader Oracle, that is. I mean, to be honest, inside bars don't work that well when we're choppy. We are kind of choppy here, but I don't think it's unreasonable to think we pull back here. I don't think it's unreasonable. We're here. I hate weeks. We are here. Coming up on the 30-minute mark here. Got about 30 minutes left in the day. I hate weeks. Did you click that link for me up there? Did you click that link pinned in the chat? We need to get 50 clicks on the link pinned in the chat, guys, in order for me to do the giveaway. So click the link, exclamation point cash in the chat. You don't have to buy an account. If you buy an account, it's 90% off. I do appreciate it. That's awesome. But at least click the link. Yeah, it's the same one from this morning. Click it again. Maybe it'll help. I don't know. Maybe it would help. Maybe it would help. I don't know. Still holding the 90 here. We did kind of have a little liquidity sweep down into that 84 earlier, so let's see. Let me look at one more thing here. I don't love the short, to be honest with you, but we'll let it play out and see what happens. If ES reclaims the good old 69 area there again, then I'll get out. I won't even wait for the 10 points. The link is pinned to the top of the chat, Jonathan. 10 times? Let's see if it works. Hold on. Let me see. Maybe you can confuse it. That did work. It says all click. Well, unique clicks is still at 38. So I guess it did work, but not for unique clicks. Let me see the verbiage. Let me see what the verbiage says. It says... does it say unique? Yeah, it has to be unique. So yeah, it still needs 50 unique clicks. We tried. Barbecue ribs, 90% off daytraders.com. Daytraders currently 90% off. $90 off day traders. That's maybe not the 90% we wanted, but it's the one we got. What's Max whining about? He's over here whimpering. No problem, barbecue. You the man. Again, if If ES gets back above 69, I'm going to take this off. Bud, what are you whimpering about? What are you whimpering about? He's over there whimpering. I know y'all hear him. Come on, push it. If it gets through 84 here, I'm going to go stop to break even. It's taking way too long. All right, I'm in at break even here. I'm sick of waiting on this. We're so bullish, it's tough for me to take the short here. I mean, like, there's nothing bearish here. We kind of have that Batman, we have that Batman symbol going on here. I mean, it still could go down, but, you know, we'll see. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you want to win a 50K scale My Funded Futures account. 50K scale. Let me get this from the right TP. Kind of got a little trend line going here. I mean, theoretically speaking, it's not perfect. It probably looks better on the 5-minute. Very similar on the 5-minute there, actually. Actually, kind of a shallow. If it breaks the 5-minute trend, we might take it. The scale accounts are pretty much the same as they're just when it comes to the contract size. Let me look at the scale rules. So basically, the scale accounts, your profit target $3,000. You get 3 contracts to use. Oops. No daily loss limit. Trailing max drawdown $2,000. It's an end of day drawdown. There's no activation fee. But so you're scaling. Accessed up to 30 micros. There's a scaling once you're funded. Access up to 15 micros. So so you get 3 minis and 15 micros in the funded account. No consistency rule in the funded. There is a consistency there in the other one. So, but yeah, I mean, there's the rules on the scale. Main difference is your position sizing, right? So if you go to the core, you know, the core, there's they have the micro scaling in the core. The pro, they don't. Is the only one they don't have the scaling rule. I guess they do have it. 30 and 30 micros, 3 minis. So 30 micros, 3 minis as opposed to 15 micros and 3 minis. It's the main difference. Chop is real. What up, Pine Tree? How'd you make out today? Pine Tree, I need you to click the link in the top of the chat. I'm long. Click the link in the top of the chat for me. And I need you to buy an account from Day Trader so that I got another unique sale. They're 90% off. It's only cost you a few bucks. It's only going to cost you a few bucks. You the man. Oh. One's funded, you have to start with 1 mini and 5 micros. Oh, is that right, Jonathan? So that's the difference. Okay, I got you. That makes sense. So kind of like the starter and the starter, kind of like the starter was, right? You start with one mini. I'm long here, guys. ES recovered the 69 there. I'm expecting price to go up. Yeah, yeah, it is. It is for real. 8 weeks because like the problem. It's not necessarily a problem, but like it does keep you from sizing up to try to get your loss back, right? It keeps you from sizing up. So oh, I think I might have got a check in the mail. They owe me a check. This might be like an $800 check. I don't know. So click the link for me. We're up to 40 link clicks. We need 10 more clicks. I need 10 more clicks. So I know some of you people have not clicked the link. Hey, 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 we got an $800 check in the mail. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. It's always nice when you get a check in the mail. We can pair that check with the $50 check that we never put in the bank. Nothing happens if you click again. I appreciate it. Yeah, it'd be nice if there was 15 grand. It would be nice. Oh, yeah, it doesn't. It's got to be unique clicks. I might hold this through the end of the day, guys. Good thing I didn't think that was like a spam mail. Get another check in the mail too, $1,400, but that one's a scam. That one's a scam. I'm holding this long, guys. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. If it sweeps back down, you know it is what it is. Do I add? Do I add here? Do I have booze enough to add? Huevos enough to add here? I think I do. I got the huevos to add here. Do you guys have the huevos to add? I thought that was equal highs, but I think it's not. I think it's off by a tick. Yeah, it's off by a tick. Come on, break it out. Break it out. That's right, the huevos. If you guys haven't hit that like button for me, hit that like button. Subscribe. Hit the link so we can do the giveaway of the 50K My Fun and Futures account. If you don't hit the link, I'm not doing the giveaway. If we don't get 50 link clicks, 50 unique link clicks, I'm not going to do the giveaway. That's right. I'm holding you hostage from hitting the link. We are currently at 41. We need 9 more people to click that link. You're a dick for a tick, I see, T. A dick for a tick. Or something like that. How far are we? We are at 41. We need 9 more people to click the link. 9 more people. Tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your cousin, your brother, your sister, your dog. Get them to click the link. Thank you very much. I'm holding this long because the ES stayed above 69 there. So been kind of just pinned to 69 all day. We'll see what happens going into close. ES bouncing off the 69 there. All right, now we're at 42. We only need 8 more clicks. So I'll show you guys. Right there we are, 42. That second number is the one we're looking at. We're at 42. So getting closer. And we're at 2 unique sales. We only need 3 more sales. I won't hold you guys to the sales today. But Oh, Max, come on, man. All right, hold on, guys. Let me open the door up. He's getting on my nerves with this whimpering stuff over here. Come on there. Go. He'll be back in here in a minute. He'll be back in here in a minute whining to get back in here. This dog. What's this dog doing? Sean, did you click the link? He'll be like, yes, I clicked the link, man. I clicked the link. Come on. All right, I'm going to see here if this thing falls down or not. Let's see here. Your wife is the same way, whining to go out. Stop locking her in the room, man. Come on. Stop locking her in the room over there. We got 7 minutes until the murder bot. Where is Design Knob? Is Design over here in Coves? Let me see if Design is over here at Coves. He is. He's in Coves chat. So let me send him a message. Got to send Design a message over there. The murder bot. You're up 1950 in your personal per account. Yeah, I wouldn't take any more trades. Don't tell her. All right, we don't want you to be castrated. Did I get another click? Let me see. Yeah, I did. What'd you do? Clear your cookies? Maybe clear out your cookies? Clear your cache? No, I get it. I hate weeks. I get what you're saying. I'm like that too. I watch somebody and I'll be like, man, I should be clicking the button. Or I know I shouldn't be clicking the button, but then I want to. You can use your other accounts and click for me. Well, I don't know if it's not based on accounts. I think it's from, it's just from, different browsers. I don't even know. You can feel that mouse moving. Uh-oh. Fight it. Fight it. ICT. I got your message. So I'll tell you right here, these accounts I'm giving away are not accounts that I've purchased. They are free. They are free from the company. I reach out to them and they just give me free accounts. Now, I will say, you know, I reached out to a bunch of places maybe a year ago and I got denied. Like everybody just told me no. So just now this year, they've kind of started giving them to me. So, and I pass them on to you guys. I pass them on to you guys. So no, I don't. It doesn't cost me anything. Obviously, I could keep the accounts, but that's not me. That's not me. I do think this is a pretty clear squeeze scenario into the close. Now, I could be wrong, but I think it's a decent. I think this is kind of a squeeze scenario. A squeeze scenario. My popularity is rising like an old man on Cialis. Let's go. I am going to dedicate myself to making more short-form videos and long videos too. I need to start posting those. Got to get better at that. ES made a new high here. Nasdaq's got to breach the high. Come on, let's go. Exclamation point cash in the chat if you guys want to enter the giveaway. A free 50K My Funded Futures Scale account. Guys, we need 4 more clicks on that link. 4 more unique clicks on the link. And we'll be there. Blue Chew. Come on, rip it. Rip it. Get through the high here and go. Just to the moon. I'm going to go ahead and take one off here. And I'm going to move stop to break even on this one. 3 minutes to go. Ah, Jonathan, how'd you read my mind there? How'd you read my mind? How'd you read my mind? I am long, yes. Full port. Solo clicked. All right, let's check it. See how close we are. I want my 500 bucks. All right, we're at 47, guys. If you not click the link that's pinned in the top of the chat, guys. Click the link here. I'll post it in the chat right there one more time. I might move my target up depending upon what happens at the murder bot. At 50 after, I'll mark it on close. Might move my target up. NQs rise. Oh. Got the stop in. We've locked in $445. We got less than 2 minutes from the murder bot. Mystic Rick, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Boom, guys. We just hit 50. All right. You guys are awesome. Now we just need 3 more cells. Who wants... I'm just kidding. I'm not going to make you do that. But appreciate you guys getting me to the 50 clicks. Like, literally to the tick. 50 clicks. 50 clicks. Appreciate you. All right, here comes the murder bot in 1 minute here. 3 cells in the firstborn from the winner. That's right. That could be true. All right, I'm going to see here, guys. I'm going to place a long order. I'm going to add up here. Kind of with the long stop, with the same stop. And if it pushes down and stops me out, then I'm just going to accept it on that. This could be a bad idea. Probably is a bad idea, but we're going to see. Solo, it killed. It killed it today. All right, tagged in. Come on. How did my stops move up like that, though? I don't know. How did my stops move up? I thought they were down there. What happened? Oh, did I have... Oh, I had my stop at break even, didn't I? Duh. That's what it is. Come on, push it back up. We need to get above the high here. I'm going to kill one of those off there. I don't want to be into it at this point. I'm going to kill one of those off. Probably get back in here on the 55 candle. Some other streamers get in some race, log in their different channel, comment, and has parameters of what to post. Yeah, Jonathan, I'm not into all that. I don't hate on people that do that kind of stuff. It's just not me. Do I buy right here at the previous day close? If we do break through this trend line, I mean, we could go down quick. We do have an SMT at the high right here. We do have an SMT at the high. we break this trend line, I mean, like, this thing's going to go down. If we hold 96, though, we push back up. If we can hold 96 here, I think I'm going to get in long. If we don't hold it, then if we break through here, then I think we probably are going to go down. Let's just see, can this trend line hold? Still lean up going into the end of the day, ultimately, but this thing could push down. Explanation point cash, guys, if you want to enter the giveaway for 50K scale, my funded futures account. Back above the EMAs here, back above the 800. I'm going to add back into this position one more again. One more again. They could dump it on us, though, going into that final minute. They really could. They could. Pine Tree enter in the giveaway. They said if it's Pine Tree that's the winner, they said, eh. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, that wasn't great, Tech T, to be honest. I'm looking for it. I'm still looking for it to squeeze into the close. We got still 6 minutes until close. 7 almost. But the we do have the 55 algo here in 1 minute 35 seconds. 1 minute 35 seconds. By the way, guys, we'll be doing another giveaway at the PM stream tonight. The PM stream. I don't know what time I'll be starting. Maybe by 6, maybe not. You need accounts too. No, I get it, Pine Tree. I get it. Still kind of holding that 5-minute trend line there. All right, I'm going to do it again on this candle. Do we get a little frisky here? Do we go 5 minis? What do you guys think? Do we go 5 minis on this candle? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. Probably would be smart not to. Full port. I don't even have a stop. I don't even have a stop there. Oh my God, it's running already. It's running already, guys. Tagged in. We got to make new highs here. The account is at risk. The account is at risk. We got to make new highs. ES did make new highs. Need new highs into close, otherwise we're screwed. Today's open settlement, yeah. Well, we're in there. Let's go. We're in there like swimwear. It's either gonna blow or blow. One or the other, right? I'm only gonna give it, I think, around 10 points. If it pulls back, I'll probably get out. Pulls back too much. I'm looking for a bigger run. I was only looking for 5 points, but I think if we break out of the 15-minute range, that we run the low or the high. I think if we do that, we run the high. Just got to get above 817 here. Come on, put it in there. The thong is long. We're long here for sure. It's going to push. He's going to push. But you didn't say to where. I'm watching the ES. If it breaches the high first, I will take some of these off. Watching the old ES here. Might just double top and go back down. Let's see. Push it, push it, push it. 30 seconds from the final minute here. The final minute really could do anything. Really could do anything. Blow on it. Oh. Goal. Get above 17, we should squeeze. Above 17, we go. We rip it. Come on. We got 2 minutes left in the day here. Get above 17, we go. No. That's not a good look. Rude. Show what that mouth do. Show what that mouth do. You know what? I'm taking my hands off. Whatever happens, happens. If it blows, if she blows, she blows. I don't know. Nah, I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. If it can't hold 800 here, then I should probably get out. Coming into the last minute here, the Bulls have got to just take this thing by the horns and just run it through the highs. Right into the close. 4 seconds. 2, 1. Bulls on parade. Bulls on vacation. Bulls on vacation here. Come on, Bulls. Turn it. Flip it green. Flip it green. Flip it green. It's so funny. It's going to close like right where it opened. It's going to close right where she opened. $30 seconds. We got to go here. Got to go here. If we break this trend line, we're in trouble. Gotta go here. Let's put the stop in right there. Need a huge expansion out of this. Up. It could happen. It's happened before. If we lose the trend line, though, we're going to have a huge push down. I think we just go low, short if that happens. Oh, we're already at $2,500. Wow, is this thing? How's this thing not blown? This thing definitely should be blown. Oh, it's because Bulenox is frozen. There we go. Now it finally did it. All right. Yeah, wrong way. It was definitely wrong way. Definitely the wrong way. We tried it. Let me try one more thing here. I'm thinking. Nah, I'm not going to. I kind of want to. I'm kind of want to take like a 5-point short here. What am I on here? Like a 1 minute time frame? Thinking about taking like a 5-point short. I might try it here. Hold on 1 second. It might pop here though. Short or long here? I don't know. You were short. Nice job, ICT. Thinking about looking for a little scalp here, but It's not really like looking like it wants to pump back up. All right, I'm going to jump in. I want to try a little long here. Just with a 5-point stop, either hits me or it doesn't. All right, guys, exclamation point cash in the chat. Jump in there if you want to enter the giveaway. And, of course, I chose the wrong way, huh? Stop needs to be down here, but I don't want to put it down there. About to do the giveaway. Just figured I'd stab there. I need to move the stop lower, but I'm not. All right, stop me out. That's all right. We'll just leave it at that. Let's see how many people are in the giveaway here. We only got 33 people in the giveaway, guys. 33 people. Exclamation point cash in the chat. We're giving away a 50K My Funded Future Scale account. Got just about 2 minutes. You're not going to enter it. You can enter LHM. This is a different account. It's a different account. If you're lucky enough to win twice, you're lucky enough. Yes, back above the 69 there. I mean, if it loses that, we could. Yeah, we do kind of have a lot of wicks down here. 84 possibly. What up, Poco? How you doing? Jen, yes, in the house. I might stab again here. One more time. Why not? I don't quite know. The long has been wrecking me. Oh, dang. Look at that. Rude. Not really, Mo. I really shouldn't be pressing the button at all. I'm going to try one more stab here. I'm just kind of knife cutting myself to death, to be honest. Yeah, I got to stop there. Down 243, 215 actually on that account. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys, if you're not in. What up, Blowout Trader? Unless you're full porting. Nah, no full port. Not quite sure what that spike was, though. That was kind of interesting. 13 points. What up, Poco? I'm doing minis. You're up 1,200, ending the day with 59. Yeah, negative 59. Well, it's still basically break even. All right, getting ready to do the giveaway here. Let's check it out. Let's see where this kind of holding that previous day close. There was earnings, Nate. What earnings was it? Oh, Nutty's up to 44K. Yeah, I guess, but he's made quite a few of he's made quite a few payouts. ESPN to the 69. I mean, it had to be something small because that was only like a 13-point gap. Hey, Lone Trader, get into the giveaway. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You demand. Exclamation point cash. We're about to do the giveaway, guys. What up, Maverick? Yeah, I'll be back later tonight, Mo, for sure. Exclamation point cash in the chat, guys. I need to actually be leaving. So let's do the giveaway here right quick. All right, guys, if you're not in the giveaway, I'm closing the giveaway in 15 seconds. So you got 15 seconds, exclamation point cash, last chance. Join the giveaway. Join the giveaway. All right, here we go. I'll give you guys a few extra seconds to get in there. Let's see here. Got about 30 seconds, and then I am really closing it. I got to get out of here. So I can be back at 6. Max banging on the door now. All right, we're about to do the giveaway, guys. Here we go. Oh, yeah, for sure, Arthur. Yeah, Max is wanting in. All right, here we are. We do the giveaway now. Close entries coming in. Max is the dog, yeah. All right, here we go. The winner is Constantine G. Are you here? Constantine G. Mo. Oh. I forgot how the countdown works. Yeah, I did. I try to give a little more times. Constantine. Is Constantine here? Constantine is here. This is Constantine. I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I will pin it in the top of the chat. I need your email that you use to log in with My Funded Futures. A screenshot of your YouTube channel. Just click right here. Screenshot this showing me that you're logged in and it's you. And I will get that account sent over to you via My Funded Futures. It's a 50K scale account. You guys hear Max? He's like punching on the door now. I told you guys, it's only a matter of time before he wants back in. I'll be back later tonight. We'll do another giveaway then. Constantine, shoot that email over to me if you can. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to help support the channel, guys, Tradeify's anniversary, 1-year anniversary sale does, the one that they're having right now, does end tonight. It's a pretty good deal on the direct-to-funded. I'm assuming they'll come out with something different maybe once this one ends. But this is the sale that they're currently having. If we can ever get it pulled up here. Use code MM. Remember, Bulenox 83% off. Take Profit Trader 40% off. Apex 40% off. Trade Day 40% off. All those use code MM, except for Apex use code MYTH. Funding Ticks 30%, 35% off. Tradeify 30% off. But you can get these deals here. So appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time. Remember the futures desk also. I don't want to forget about them. Got a good sale going on too. Use code MMM for the futures desk. So we'll see you guys next time.